Morning, it's day 2. We're waiting for the rest to come down. We are the early birds. Say hi, early birds.
Hi, early
Bird
bird.
says hi. Yeah, so we're gonna on our way to have breakfast now, and yeah, this is the humble neighborhood that we are living in for the next 7 days. It's like a legit Korean house. Myeongdong.
감사합니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. At least too busy eating. It's really good.
I love it.
Thumbs up.
대박.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Endless of underground shopping. Okay, because it's gonna rain, that's why we came down to shop at the express bus terminal. Hungry. And that's the end of our shopping adventure. So much shopping back. Yeah. We finished our shopping at Gangnam Express Bus Terminal. It was a
3 hours.
good choice to come here.
Yeah, on a rainy day. We spent 3 hours here.
That's right.
This is new. Yeah, this new.
Having dinner at the famous Itsuti. Look at this! This is the awesome UFO DDP Plaza. So beautiful.
Untrusted friend over there.